So in the previous class, we have completed all those topics. Yesterday class we have completed that what is tolerance group. And the chart of account creation is completed, account group setup is completed, and the assignment process in global parameter OBY6 we have completed all those things. So here today we will create the GL account, general ledger account in FS0. And why we have to create that general ledger account? So first GL account must have to be created, that is called a retained earning account. So retained earning account, if we are not creating that retained earning account in SAP system, the system will not allow us to create any other GLs. For example, before creating any other GLs, we have to do the assignment with the retained earning account without giving any GL code. So for example, I am going to the system, SAP system in FS0, and this is my company code. I want to create one GL account. So I am giving here, I have to create the cash account, I have to create one all-time zero and press enter. So the system is throwing error, no PQ 200. Q200 means my company code, P is for the profit and L is for the loss. No profit and loss statement account type is defined in the chart of account Q200. My chart of account is Q200 and the company code is Q200. The system was throwing error to us and telling to us, giving information to us, before creating any general ledger account in FS0, we have to assign the retained earning account to our chart of account group. So for that, for this error, what we have to do, I am coming back here. We can go through the transaction code also. I hope it is a OV52. Yes. The posting period variant. What is the posting period variant? Q200 you have to give. This is the close, open and close posting period, that is OV53. Transaction code. Yes, OV53. So we have to give here, when the transaction T code command field, you will give the T code OV53, OV53. This pop-up screen will open here, the screen will pop up here and ask to give the chart of account. If it is a blank, you can give your chart of account. If your chart of account is coming by default, then click and continue. If some other chart of account is coming, then you can delete that chart of account, remove that chart of account and give your chart of account here. So my chart of account is Q200, simple, I click on this continue. So here, see, my chart of account is coming Q200. Transaction is BIL, balance carry forward. Why we are using the retained earning account? Let me create it first, then I will explain you that. So what you will do here, it is the suppress here. So come to this position, transaction, display or change. Blocked by another user. Okay. Someone is using here, just go to the SM12. Because this is a practice server, you will get this type of locking screen error. So follow this process to delete that one. In the live system, you are not able to face this type of error. Okay, just complete it. Go to the once again OB53, press enter, chart of account, and continue. See here, it is coming here. Those options are came. If the screen is locked, then these three options will not come. If your screen is not locked, then all those things will be come here. No need to go to the post transaction and display and changes, nothing to do here. So in the profit and loss statement, only what you have to give, only give the X. Otherwise you can give anything else, J, A, B, C, D, you can give it. But for the unique, everyone is using X, so we are taking it as a X. If you will go here and search, nothing is there, no value is found. So this is not mandatory that I will take only the X here. Only it comes the word X. What is the, whenever we want to give the example, the word X is coming to my mind. That's why I have given the yes. If I have given A, if I want to give M, then whatever the alpha you want, you can give it here. So I have given here X. But there is no such accounts I have created in FS0. So for that, what I have to do? Only I have given here X and save it. Enter account. The warning message is coming, it is in yellow color. Just press enter, then save it. Changes have been made. Just come back. SPR, I am going to the path. Then SAP reference IMG, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, preparation, defined retained earning accounts. You can see here. Just click on this document. In my career, I have never preferred to get the detailed information from the different topics to the Google, because in the Google there are coming the multiple answers. That's why, just a minute. Sorry. Because in the Google I will get that the multiple answers. So the SAP has given here notes. I prefer the SAP notes, and to the answers I will get the perfect answer. I will get here without any confusion. So that is the different point. So let's start. What is the retained earning account? Retained earning account is nothing but only we have to carry forward our profit or loss, whatever is there. In the accounting, whenever we are doing the P&L account, after the ledger, we are doing first we are doing the journal entries, then coming to the ledger postings, then we are coming to the profit and loss, then trial balance, and balance sheet. So we are following these processes. So if there is a profit, then we have to carry forward to the next year. If there is a loss, the same thing we have to carry forward, carried down and brought down the word we have listened. Or we have also, as a commerce student, those commerce student can understand that what is the carried down and what is the brought down. And these two words we will use in the profit and loss statements when we will transfer that profit or loss amount to the next year. So here the retained earning account is used only for this specific purposes only. You assign a retained earning account to each profit and loss account by specifying a profit and loss statement account type in the chart of account area of each profit and loss account. At the end of a fiscal year, the system carries forward the balance of the profit and loss account to the retained earnings account. You can define one or more profit and loss statement account type per chart of accounts and assign them to retained earning accounts. It means what? At the end of the fiscal year, what we are doing, if there is a loss, if there is a profit, we have to carry forward that balance to the next year. For the carry forward of the balance to the next year, what we have to do? That balance should be stored in the sum of the specific GL account. That specific GL account is called the retained earning account. So in that retained earning account, what happened? Whatever there is a loss, whatever there is a profit or revenue, whatever we have generated, at the end of the fiscal year, we will do the carry forward process to the next year. And here the system is telling, under one chart of account, we can create multiple retained earning accounts. But simple, what we are creating here, only one we are creating. If there is a requirement of, if we are using the multiple chart of account, then one group chart of account we have to use. In the particular group chart of account, we can give the multiple profit and loss account, because in different chart of account we are using different profit and loss account. So multiple retained earning accounts we are using. If we want to get the consolidation report through the group chart of account, in that case, we will use multiple retained earning account we have to assign according to the chart of accounts which was assigned to the particular group chart of account. One chart of account we are assigning. There are 5 chart of account my organization is using according to the requirement. To get that 5 chart of account consolidation report, my company configured one group chart of account, and that group chart of account is assigned to each and every chart of accounts. For that, when we will create those GL accounts in the group chart of account, we also assign that multiple profit and loss account or the retained earning accounts where we can get the consolidation report. That's why the SAP system or the SAP standard was given and telling here that at the end of a fiscal year, the system carries forward the balance of the profit and loss account to the retained earning account. You can define one or more profit and loss statement account types for chart of account and assign them to the retained earning account. So go through all these things and you will be more clear, and whenever you will do the practical, then you will get your confusion will be cleared. Any questions from here?
No.
Okay. So the retained earning account I have created, just I am executing here. This is the chart of account I have given Q200. So you can see here profit and loss statement. Here X I have given. Only I have to give that account number, that is GL account number. I am coming back. Before creating a GL account, I want to tell you one thing. We can create GL account GL accounts in 3 ways. Those are the interview questions. Listen it attentively. If any questions you have, you can ask. No issue. We can create GL accounts in 3 ways. What are the 3 ways? First one is FS00. Centrally we can create GL account. One is FSP0. Another one is FSS0. This one is in the SAP system. If you will come here, FS00 I will give. What it is written? GL account central. I am opening another one system. FSP0. GL account, chart of account. Creation of GL account under the chart of account. Another one is that what? GL account creation through the company code level. So, in your mind that is coming, why we will create in a 3 ways. FSP0, we are creating for GL account at chart of account level. FSS0, company code level. GL account creation. happen, the system SAP has given in the different ways we can create. But if we are creating in this two level, what will happen? What will happen? The data separately we will create in FSP0 and FSS0. If we will only create this chart of account level, only the GL general ledger whatever we have created, only it will be displayed on the chart of account level only. If we are not creating in FSP0 and only we are creating in FSS0, only it will be visible in company code level only. If we are creating in both, in FSP0 we have created and FSS0 we have created, then that will be reflected in both the label, that is called chart of account label. It can be visible and it can be visible in the company code level. So in the both the T codes we have created, then we can see that in FSP0. According to this two transaction code, if we have skipped this one SPP0 and only we have created FSS0, that GL account should not be shown in the centrally, mean FSS0. So centrally means what? The chart of account what we have created, it will be visible in the FS00 and the company code will be visible in the FS00. So this is SAP has given this two transaction codes and we can create those separately. And why we are creating this separately and what is the reason for creating separately, there is we can discuss it later. So currently we will avoid this two transaction code, only we will create in FS00. No need to create this in this two transaction code. Only one company code we are using, one chart of account we are using, then we can directly create in the FS00. This is an interview question. The reason for discussing is that this is an interview question. So my question is that why does the SAP system was given FSP0 and FSS0? If one chart of account you are using in the multiple company code, one chart of account you are using in the multiple company code, and what will happen? You want the general ledger accounts, how much you have the GL you have created through the chart of account level, you can get in the table view, that is SKA1 or B1, I hope. Let me check that one. SKA1, that is not B1, SKA1. GL account master chart of account. If I want to get to the table view how many GL account was created under this chart of account, we can get through the table view. If you want to copy those GL accounts to the another chart of account, then you can do it. So the SAP wants to simplify the process. That's why this two systems, this two transactions code was given here. My question is that why we are using or the SAP is given this FSP0 and FSS0. If that particular chart of account was assigned to the different company code, the chart of account is one. If you will go to the FS00, then the same GL you can get in the different company code, with the multiple company code you will get. But the chart of account is one. So according to this scenario, the SAP system was given these two transaction codes which we can create separately, or we can get the report separately, or we can sheet through the table view that how many general ledger accounts have been created. Currently I am working in which project, that is a US project, HANA project. The same scenario has been created here. I hope this you have understand what is the difference between this three transaction code and the three way of creating the general ledger accounts. Any questions you have?
No.
Okay. The retained earning account we have created. Just we will go and create one retained earning account. Just I'm closing this one and go to the FS00 screen. FS0, simple press enter. Click on this create option. So retained earning account, the account groups we have created. The retained earning account comes under which group? Asset, liability, income, expenses.
Asset.
Yes. So our asset number ranges is what?
Hello?
Yes, our asset number ranges we have maintained in account group.
Asset.
I'm going to OBD4 to check that account group. Click on the position Q200 I have given here. Here you can see our asset number range started from 1 all time 0 to 1.
1 lakh.
Yes.
1 lakh.
Just click on this create option and give here. This one is a balance sheet account. When we are discussing about the ECC, we have created that GL account. That ECC, there is a balance sheet account and the profit and loss account. Here you can see in S/4HANA that balance sheet account is there in the account page, and the profit and loss account is divided into 4 types: non-operating expenses or income, primary cost or revenue, secondary cost, cash account. This is also one difference. Keep in the mind. So asset accounting we are creating under asset account, it comes under the balance sheet, and account group is here asset. Here I have given retained earning account. Come to the control data. Automatically it is coming here INR because our company under company code we have assigned that which currency we are using. Balances in local currency we have to take this one. The tax configuration have nothing we have done, no need to do all those things. Then sort key you will give here 001 is for the posting date. Then come to the create bank interest field status group. Yesterday we have created whatever we have created 46 entries as copied is coming here. While we will create the GL account, the field status variant we have to give here G001 we have given. And what is the use? And I will tell you that whenever we will do that. Post automatically only, no one will be post manually, so we have to select this one, post automatically. If we will not select, someone will be take that particular laser return earning account and post something else. So we have to click this one. So this much we have to give, and simple click on this check option. Sorry, where is the check? Here is the check option. The data contains no error, so save it. Any other error is coming? Nothing error is coming, because before it is coming, that's why we have not assigned to our chart of account. The retained earning account I have not assigned. So simple copy this GL account and once again move to the transaction code OB53. Here the chart of account is coming, then continue. Posting transaction, then you will display and change. If it is a fresh, then give here and save it. So whatever we will do, all those transactions will be profit and loss account. Whatever we are doing the transaction, it will automatically trigger here, and the SAP system will be calculate that either it is a profit or it is a loss. In the last fiscal year, end of the fiscal year, we can transfer those things. Any questions do you have regarding this?
No.
Okay, I hope you have understood all those things.